So you want to start a dropshipping business this year, make over $1,000 per day, become financially free, and live your best life. But you're not exactly sure where to start. Well, luckily for you, in this video, I'll be sharing exactly how you can start a successful dropshipping business from scratch. I promise if you watch this entire video and then actually go out there and start dropshipping, stay consistent and trust the process, there's a very high chance that you will be successful. So let's get right into it. So the first step to dropshipping successfully is finding a good product to sell. This is honestly the most important part and will either make or break your business. So let's go over some product criteria. First, you need a product that you can create viral videos with. This way you can actually create viral advertisements. Next, you want to find a product that can add value to someone's life. A product that solves a problem usually does well. For example, if someone is insecure about their beard, they would go and buy the beard roller because it would help with beard growth. So any product that adds value or solves someone's problem would ultimately be a good product to sell. Next, try to find a product that really catches your attention. So you know those products that when you see them, you instantly want to buy them? Yeah, those products usually do really well. This is an example of a product that you'd impulsively buy right away. It's a 3-in-1 razor, it's super convenient and solves a huge problem for a lot of people. Next, always make sure the product has demand. So if there's other dropshipping stores successfully selling your product, that means it likely has demand. And if you also want to sell the product successfully, you'll need to look at what your competition is doing. But figure out a way to do it better. There's always things you can improve. Make your store look more branded than theirs, make your video ads more appealing, and come up with a marketing strategy that would completely demolish theirs. And ultimately, that's how you'll win. So no need to reinvent the wheel, you just have to do it better. And lastly, make sure your product has a good profit margin. You want to try to sell your product for at least 3 times more than the price you bought it for. There's really no point in selling a product that only has a 1 to 3% profit margin. Now that's all for product criteria, so let's go over how you can actually find winning products. Now there's many ways you can find good products, but let's start with the very first one, which is using the TikTok Creative Center. So here on the TikTok Creative Center, if you scroll down where it says top ads, click view more, and here you're going to see the top performing ads on TikTok. So I recommend adding some filters here. I'm going to select all, product sales, and now let's look through these videos. So a lot of the time you can find a lot of really cool products here. These obviously aren't all dropshipping products, but some are. For example, here is a cool dropshipping product that you could consider selling, and the fact that they're running ads could mean it's selling very well for them. And if you want to confirm if this is actually a good product to sell, I would search for it on TikTok afterwards and see how many dropshipping stores are selling it. Now there is another way you can find winning products on TikTok, which is just by searching up Amazon Finds or TikTok Made Me Buy It and look through all those videos and see if you can find any good products that meet the criteria we talked about earlier. One of the students in my mentorship found a product on TikTok that made him over $4,000 in just 8 days. So definitely take advantage of TikTok. And luckily, I am accepting more students for the dropshipping mentorship. In this program, you'll have my guidance and my team's guidance to help you start and scale your own successful dropshipping store. So if you want to join the mentorship, the link will be in the description of this video. Now moving on, there is another way you can find winning products, which is by using the Shopify app AutoDS. And not only will you use this to find winning products, but you can also use this as your supplier. And using a software like this to find winning products is ultimately my favorite way to do it. This way you don't have to scroll on Facebook and TikTok for hours. But anyways, before we can even use AutoDS, we first need to create a Shopify account. I'll leave a link for 3 months of Shopify for only $1 in the description of this video. So you can go ahead and create your store with that link. So once you've created your store, you can now go to the link in the description where it says AutoDS and then go ahead and add that to your Shopify store. And using that link, you're going to get a free 30-day trial, which is great. Okay, so I'm now in AutoDS and it's connected to my Shopify store. So the first thing you want to do here is click on Marketplace, and now it'll show you a ton of winning products. You can also click here on fast shipping and it'll show you products that ship within 2 business days, if that's something you're looking for. And if you click here on supplier and select AutoDS, it'll show you products that ship from the AutoDS warehouse, and these products have faster shipping times and the pricing is great. And another benefit is you'll get to add your brand logo to the product package, and this will make your store seem like an actual brand, which is ideally what you want. And here on the winning product section, it'll show you proven winning products, so a lot of these you could actually sell right now if you wanted to. I've personally been able to find a lot of really good products in this section. So let's say you want to sell this product here. Next, take a look at the product analysis section. Here it'll show you how much it's being sold for, the target audience, and even show you a Facebook ad, which is super helpful. So if you're ready to sell this product, click here on Import Product, then come to Drafts, click here on Import, and it will now send the product to your Shopify store. Now, anytime a customer purchases the product from your store, it'll show up here in the order section, and you'll be able to just fulfill the order, and it'll ship directly to the customer, and you're done. Okay, so I'm now in my Shopify store, and I see the product here, and if you want to know exactly how to customize your store, I do have a separate YouTube video going over that, which I'll leave a link for in the description of this video. But ultimately, you want your store to look like an actual brand. Here's a store I recently created. As you can see, I have high quality images, a brief description with GIFs, highlight some important information here, and lastly I have customer reviews, which are very important. So as long as your store looks something like this, you're solid. Now moving on, let's say you have your store done with one product. Well, now you're probably thinking, should I add more products to my store? I say adding another 3 to 4 products on your store is usually a good idea. You don't have to promote these products, but they'll definitely make your store look more legit. And these products can also be upsold to your customer. So let's say a customer wants to buy this product from my store. When they get to their cart, you can offer them another product to purchase right here. And this can easily boost your sales by at least 10%. And to set this up on your store, you're gonna have to use the Shopify app, Upcart, Cart, Drawer. Okay, now moving on, once your store is all done, the next step is marketing. This is usually the most challenging part for people. They'll spend hundreds and even thousands of dollars on advertising and get no sales. But luckily, my marketing strategy helps you avoid making this mistake, so let's go over it. So if you're new to dropshipping, I think it's very important that you first test out organic marketing. So you want to be promoting your store on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest for free. At this point, you shouldn't even consider paying for ads. So let's go over my TikTok advertising strategy, which is very simple. One of my students made over $26,000 in 2 weeks using this strategy. So first, you need to order your product from Amazon. Next, I want you to search for your product on TikTok, and you should see a ton of videos come up. Now look at your competitors' videos, see which of their videos are performing best, and then you're going to want to go ahead and remake something very similar. So since you ordered your product from Amazon, you'll be able to film your own content with it. And chances are, if your competitor's content has gone viral, your content will also go viral. And if you're ever stuck and need content ideas, I recommend just searching up small business on TikTok and looking through all those videos to see what other small business owners are doing. And ensure the first 6 videos you post to your TikTok account are high quality, viral worthy videos. This is super important because TikTok will always look at your first few videos and determine whether or not they want to push out your account in the very beginning. So if your content is good, they're going to push out your account, and this is going to be super helpful. And you should aim to post anywhere from 1 to 3 videos every single day on your TikTok account, especially when you're first starting out. And at the end of the day, TikTok is just a fun platform where you can experiment with different sounds and trends, so be sure to have fun with it. As long as you're patient and consistent with TikTok, eventually you will see results. Now let's move on to my Instagram and Pinterest marketing strategy. For this, I just recommend reposting your TikToks on both Pinterest and Instagram. I'd say Instagram Reels is very similar to TikTok, so you should see the same engagement. And you can download your TikToks without a watermark using the website snaptik.app. And then you can post a video on your Instagram and Pinterest without the TikTok watermark. Now, once you've been consistent and start seeing some results and want to take things to the next level, then I would consider running Facebook ads and maybe even trying out TikTok ads. But I don't recommend testing out ads until you've made at least $1,000 organically. But that's all for this brief dropshipping tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.